Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Shark Clean app not working for you. So if you're having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Shark Clean app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down a little bit and then click on storage in here. And we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page now to load. And when it's done, you're going to swipe up until you can see the search bar up top. And that is exactly where you need to click. Search for Shark. You should be able to probably see the Shark Clean app here. So click on it, then click on offload app. And once again, click on offload app in here. Then click on the reinstall app button in here and just simply wait now for the app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself, and I guess that when they sometimes release like a new update and you're still stuck on an old update and you're not able to use it, maybe it crashes or just lags or whatever it can be, like bugs or stuff like that. If that happens, then try to do this. This will automatically update the app to the latest version. It shouldn't like mess with any of your settings or stuff like that on the app. It's just going to auto update the app. At least this is what it did for me. And when it was done, I went back and it worked for me perfectly again. And I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.